Welcome back. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has hinted at the notification of May bill by October. CM has sent the bill back to the governor. Parrikar informed media that he has answered all the technical queries raised by the governor regarding May bill on ownership and compensation. Government is awaiting governor's reply. Governor of Gujarat Om Prakash Kohli took oath of office at Goa Raj Bhavan on Thursday. He will hold an additional charge as governor of Goa.
We have already forwarded to the Raj Bhavan the bill.
The queries can actually
They were technical queries. If I get it early, within 24 hours, I will notify it. More or less, things should be in order. Give and take 1 or 2 months.
Chief Minister was speaking with media during swearing-in ceremony of Governor Om Prakash Kohli. Kohli took oath of office at Goa Raj Bhavan on Thursday. Chief Justice of Bombay High Court Mohit Shah administered the oath to Om Prakash Kohli. He will hold an additional charge as Governor of Goa.
मैं ओम प्रकाश कोहली
ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं श्रद्धापूर्वक गोवा के राज्यपाल के पद का कार्यपालन करूँगा।
मैं श्रद्धापूर्वक गोवा के राज्यपाल के पद का कार्यपालन करूँगा।
आपके पास 2 स्टेट की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, तो गोवा के लिए कितना वक्त देंगे?
जितना आवश्यक होगा और जितना यहाँ की सरकार की अपेक्षा होगी और सरकार चाहेगी और सरकार के किसी काम में मेरे कारण से विलंब ना हो, इसकी चिंता मैं बराबर करूँगा। गोवा की गवर्नमेंट का नेतृत्व जिन लोगों के हाथ में है वो बहुत मैच्योर है, बहुत परिपक्व है। उनको हमारे किसी एडवाइस की ज़रूरत नहीं है। वो बहुत परिपक्व लोगों के, मैच्योर लोगों के हाथ में गोवा की सरकार है।
Bureau Report Prudent.
The dream of double-decker train from Mumbai to Margao is far from reality. The train has met the safety and security roadblock. The Central Railway's application for permission to run a double-decker from Lokmanya Tilak terminus to Margao has been rejected. The authorities claim that it did not have a proper plan for maintenance of the train.
The Central Railway had sent the application to Commissioner of Railway Safety to run a double-decker from Lokmanya Tilak terminus, Mumbai to Margao, Goa. However, the application did not mention where the mechanical checks and balances that ensure safety of the train would be done. The standard operating procedure requires a complete 6-hour safety check. The Central Railway officials were eager to start the double-decker around Ganpati festival. However, Commissioner of Railway Safety says that the application was incomplete. The double-decker train, procured at the cost of 25 crore, was originally intended to run from CST to Goa. But the Railway Board failed to realize that the train was too tall for 8-foot-over and rail over bridges between Kurla to CST. Meanwhile, Konkan Railway has decided to run special trains on Konkan Railway route to clear extra rush of passengers during Savat. A special train will ply from Lokmanya Tilak, Mumbai to Karmali Railway Station. The train will halt at Thane, Panvel, Roha, Chiplun, Ratnagiri and Kudal stations. Bureau Report Prudent.
The High Court has directed South Goa collector to review his order to wind up Mormugao Saptah Fair by Friday evening. Earlier, Mormugao Municipal Council had passed a resolution to allow Saptah Fair to be held for 10 days, but South Goa collector allowed it for 7 days only. Following High Court order, South Goa collector on Thursday held a meeting with the Chief Officer of Mormugao Municipal Council on extending the Saptah Fair.
Councillor of Mormugao Municipal Council Tara Kerkar and some street vendors approached the High Court on Thursday, challenging order of South Goa collector to wind up the Saptah Fair by 8th August. Petitioners contended that this is the only festival of Mormugao and street vendors are dependent on this festival for livelihood. A local as intervener opposed petitioners' plea, contending that for the fair 2 main roads are closed and locals are facing problems. Mormugao Municipal Council, supporting to allow fair to be extended for 3 more days, assured the court that if it is needed, roads will be open on Saturday onwards.
As per councillorचे हिसपान की 7 दिसाचे एक रोड क्लोज करता जाल्यार एक्स्ट्रा आमकां 3 दीस जाय. आमी रेजोल्यूशन पास केल्ले आसा 10 दीस वो सप्ताक आसपाक जाय आनी ते वांडरर्स आनी तांकांय बी आमकां 10 दीस पर्यंत दवरपाक जाय म्हणून.
After hearing all the parties, the High Court directed South Goa collector to review his order. The court directed collector to discuss the issue with Chief Officer of MMC and then take a fresh decision.
collector's order is that after 7 days the stall should be removed. So we sought modification only till the extent that it should be continued till 10th day. We were not concerned about closure of roads. We say that after 7 days road can be open, but only ferry should be allowed to continue till 10th day.
Following High Court's direction on Thursday evening, South Goa Collector held a meeting with Chief Officer of MMC. But South Goa Collector will take his final decision by Friday afternoon. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.